And curiosity, the searing NHRM scam is now eyeing former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Mayawati, as CBI has stated that she would be questioned to unearth more revelations and conspiracies stored away in the case. Her revelations could prove crucial for the case, which brewed up during her tenure in the state.
Former UP Chief Minister Mayawati faces the haunting spectre of being called for questioning as the probe into irregularities in National Rural Health Mission or NHRM gains momentum. CBI may formally question the BSP leader. Mayawati herself revealed that CBI officer has contacted and told her about possible questioning in the matter.
CBI के एक अधिकारी ने मुझे फोन करके कहा कि वो NRHM के संबंध में मुझसे कुछ पूछताछ करना चाहते हैं। मेरे ये पूछे जाने पर कि किस संबंध में, क्योंकि मेरा NRHM से क्या लेना देना, तो उस अधिकारी ने कहा कि कुछ नीतिगत निर्णय सरकार द्वारा लिए गए हैं, उसी के संबंध में पूछना है। परंतु फिर भी अगर वो आना चाहते हैं तो वो आ सकते हैं।
CBI sources claim that new evidence has surfaced in the investigations so far which mandate the questioning of BSP Supremo. One matter relates to the formal division of Health and Family Welfare Ministry, while another one is for creating more than 100 new posts for district project officers. The officers are also under scanner for facilitating the scam. CBI has clarified that the agency questions many on basis of need and requirement, and all decisions will be taken at appropriate time.
We will take decisions on the basis of the requirements. So when it is required, it will be done.
CBI is investigating the multi-crore NHRM scam. 74 FIRs and 48 charge sheets have already been filed in the matter. It was during Mayawati's tenure that health and family welfare were placed under separate ministries. Allegations are that this was done to facilitate diversion of NHRM funds directly to the Family Welfare Ministry. CBI FIR says that the then state government appointed only those persons as district project officers who managed to get contracts allotted to selected suppliers. The officers received illegal benefits in lieu of the favors extended. Centre has meanwhile clarified that CBI will work as per the rules.
देखिए, इस पर मुझे कोई प्रतिक्रिया नहीं व्यक्त करनी है। सीबीआई अपना काम साक्ष्यों के आलोक में करती है और इसके बारे में कोई और निष्कर्ष निकालने की आवश्यकता नहीं है।
NHRM scam was in news not only for the crores that were allegedly siphoned off, but also for a string of sensational murders, most of them of senior officers and doctors from the health department. Newsnight Desk, DD News.
The